Hello and welcome back to my channel. I came across a video where someone was talking about this plugin called KEPLER. KEPLER is a plugin inside the newly released FL Studio 21.2 beta, and I felt like to bring it out here so that we'll check it out together and see if it worth it. So guys, with that being said, let's have a look at this plugin. Before I go further, let's try to understand what KEPLER is. From their official site, they said KEPLER is a meticulous and so faithful recreation of the Roland Juno 6 synthesizer. So guys, as you can see, this is a recreation of Roland Juno 6 synthesizer, and which is really good for making all this 80s kind of music. So now that we've gotten an idea of what the plugin is all about, let's get started. From what I'm seeing, I give the UI a pass. It's a bunch of knobs right in front of it, and from the far left we have a preview, and above it we have hold and some features. Okay, octave, you can take it octave up and octave down. On the arpeggio, we can see on and off button, switching the modes, arpeggio modes, the range, and the rate. Is the LFO, have the rate, the delay time, the TRG mode, the auto, the main, and we have the DCO. This one is pulse, this one is soar, and this one is sub. Alright, and I can see some knob, sub, OSC, noise, high pass filter, VCF, envelope, VCA, envelope gates, envelope, chorus. I think they have inbuilt presets, yeah, quite a number. So let's have a listen to the default sound and see what it sounds like. So let's check it out one after the other. Alright guys, so we'll be using this chord progression to go through all the features in this plugin and see what it do. So we'll be starting with the chorus. The second type of chorus. Alright, let's try and use two of them together. Alright, that sounds interesting. The next thing we'll be looking at is this envelope section here. Let's see what the attack adds to the sound. And we have the decay, the sustain, and the release. So there is this interesting knob here that I like what it does to the sound, which is on this VCF section. Let me pull down this frequency. So you see how it softens the texture of that sound. And we can also add sub or bass to this chord progression just by engaging this sub button here. And another interesting feature here is the noise knob, which introduces some sort of noise to tone. I believe you had it now. Now we can switch between the pulse, the saw wave, and the sub. So let's listen to the pulse and see how it sounds. Alright, the next thing here is the LFO. Let's see what the LFO does. And this feature here, Apregio, is interesting. Let's turn it on and engage the rates. I believe you understand what it's doing. And over here we have the hold, the octave up and octave down. Let's try and see what that does. And the up. So it's just changing the octave of the tone. So that is pretty much about it. And right here we have the volume knob to control the entire volume of the plugin, and it came with a lot of default presets that you can try out. So that's pretty much it, guys. Just try this out and see if it is something you would like to use. But trust me, from what I'm saying, this is cool, you know, to bring back all those old school 80s tone and feel to your track. And with the high pass frequency, you can roll off the lows. Alright guys, that will be it for today's video, but it's best if you have a first-hand experience of this plugin. So go there, try it out, and let us know what you think in the comment section. Like we always say here, stay creative, stay focused, and see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.